Alright, what's up, y'all? We're here with another video. We're just gonna be going to a car meet. I don't really have anything to do on the Silvia, like right now. The only thing I'm waiting on are the works for the SEMA, because we're on stocks now. Air it out. Yerd. But yeah, we have the VSMX in the front. You know, ugly as hell, but you know, the emits should be here January because they're coming from Japan. But you know, so we just gotta wait on that. And the update on the Silvia is just pretty much the same shit. There's nothing new to it. But I think I'm probably just gonna get drilled and what is it? Drilled and slaughtered rotors, whatever it's called. But yeah, we might just do that. Yeah, there's a couple people selling them on OfferUp. Might just get them redone at O'Reilly's, you know, cut and shit. So yeah, we're just waiting for the emits. And yeah, I sold my old headlights for the Silvia, if you guys didn't know. But I have the front bumper, the OEM front bumper, OEM rear bumper, dorky dory side skirts, dorky dory rear valances, I think, and then a front lip for the S13 pig nose or the Silvia front for sale if you guys are interested. Damn, my arm's already getting tired and shit. But yeah, if you guys are interested, just comment, and then I'll text you on Instagram or whatever. Get your phone number, whoop de whoop. And yeah, but before we leave to the car meet, we have to put 100 octane. So I just went to go get 100 octane. Damn, this camera heavy as hell. But I just went to go get 100 octane. They have it on Trop and Jones if you guys are in, you know, in Las Vegas and need 100 octane racing fuel. They have it at Rebel, but the one I go to is closest to me is Trop and Jones. I just got 5 gallons just to go to the meet and back because, you know, it's $8 a gallon. I'm not really trying to fill this shit up. Plus I got my baby on the way, December 1st. You guys might see the video after I have the kid, but I'm gonna do a video while we're in the hospital. Might be weird, might not, but we'll see. But that's the update. That's why I haven't been posting anything. I'm having the kid, obviously. That's the most viewed like video I have. I'm having a kid. She's due on the 1st, and you know, I've been trying to stack my chips and stop spending money on these cars. But we're doing that. I'm gonna do a video on that one, and hopefully you guys like the video that I post after this one. I'm just doing this just to have something out there, just so you know, it's not a month till I post another video, you know. So I just wanna post this one up. Just gonna go hang out with the guys at the meet, just walk around, chill, do nothing, you know. Just want to take the Silvia out because, you know, we just got done with the video. If you guys saw it on my Instagram, my boy Kennedy, shout out him. You know, he really did some work on that. And if you guys ever need videos done, go hit him up because this shit's fire. But that being said, we about to go fill it up, and then we'll go to the meet. That's what we rocking with. I know it says 110 if you guys can see that, but I put 100. I just kept this from last time, and that's just napkins just in case it spills. So we're about to go fill it up. The cool thing about VP, I think it's racing or VP, yeah, VP racing. This goes straight onto it for you to put gas, and then this part goes into the tank, not the tank, my tank, but the 5 gallon, you know, fuel thing, whatever. And then this pours it into the car. But yeah, if you guys ever need racing fuel, hit a Rebel because, you know, that's probably your best bet. Because I spent I think it was $68 on this 5 gallon thing for 110, and I filled it up with 91 to mix it, but I'd rather just do the 100 because it's $8. So fill it up. So this is pretty much how it goes. You're just gonna take it off, put this in, screw it on. Hopefully this shit works. Did it last time, but it's been a minute. Alright, just finished putting gas. Got some spills on the floor, but excuse me. But we're about to clean it and then head to the meet. John, I was trying to hear it.
I'll do it later.
Let's go, man. How you been?
Good. Didn't you just hear it? Oh, you want it on video. Oh, my bad. I'll do it before I leave.
Alright, bet.
Does
That's
it
just sick
sound
too. Nah, that's just not sick. Got you, man. RB swap, boy.
I got a little bit.
Oh, let's go!
Oh, we had that for a minute though.
Alright, John, let me see what you're rocking with.
Alright, let me try. We gotta go a little slower.
What you rocking with?
I'm in Hans FD.
From the looks of it, you're trash, bro.
Bro, this one is hella dying. It's dead. I killed.
Turbo?
No.
Oh! Shit looking sexy. Bro's checking out. He noticed it. Beauty. Alright, let's go walk. Let's go. Oh, that's hard. What? That shit's badass, huh? Don't they have SRs in it?
It's a GTR.
Stupid ass.
No, not those ones.
For real?
No. It's the square looking one. This is the little peep section.
Hey, stop making fun of me. Yeah, I look, feel him. Nah, wait till I bring the SEMA when it has the works.
Man, the wheels on it now are tight, bro.
I sold them. Hey, emits coming January.
Oh, those are hard too.
Bro.
Those are the spokes one. Those are spokey too, right?
Bro, trust me. People finna flip. If they fucked with the GMRs, then people don't even know what GMRs.
Bumper. You're gonna... Oh, God.
I hate Subis.
Bro, that was one of my first cars.
I don't give a fuck.
It was literally like... Okay, so mine looked just like that.
Was it blue?
No, it was that exact color. And I have black Motegi wheels, but I had a black pinstripe down the side because it was a limited edition.
For real? So, Abby, you sold it? You crashed it? What happened?
No, I got in a lot of trouble in that car, so my dad took it back.
He took that shit back?
Yeah, and then in like 2013, I was like, damn, I really want a 240 so I could drift and stuff.
You said 2000 what?
13.
Damn. That was 7 years ago.
Yeah, I finally got one.
Damn. 7 years ago, I was 12.
Yeah, fool.
Damn. Hey, but I've been knowing you for a minute.
And then I'm buying my S15, and I'm be notch top, 350 wheel. Let's go.
I'm
no
making
cap.
S15.
No cap.
Bro, wait on it. What a beauty.
Oh, yeah, and
It's cold as fuck, I'm shaking. He's about to warm it up, he's about to rep. What?
should we turn around? Is he gonna get his up for us because he got launch control and a wind dump?
Okay,
And it's boosted.
okay.
Okay.
He said, should I turn around? Oh. Bro, it's cold as fucking Vegas. Oh God. I don't have my mask. Oh. I can't fucking stop shaking. RB. Ugh, it's cold as fuck. Let's keep rolling. Let me see.
Prescott said he's leaving at 4. Did you say that? You didn't say that? Oh, okay, never mind. Hi, guys.
You guys leaving?
No, I get it.
Oh, I was like, damn.
Evo! Hey!
Chill out.
No more! No more! No more! That's the chill.
Hey, yeah, that's gonna be my clickbait. Hey, hold up, I need that again. I need that again.
One more.
Bro, that shit killed my ears. What you think? I still can't hear. Fuck.
I'm deaf, bro.
Is it ringing?
Yeah. I think it's normal. That's normal. Bro, I was right behind him just like.
Yeah,
Boom.
the model, I was like, I wouldn't stand back there.
I did it just where I can use the picture. Alright, y'all.
Alright, nice meeting you,
I'll see you. Yeah, nice meeting you too, bro. Later.
You out?
Yeah.
Alright.
Later. You guys are about to hurt. Come on. Yeah, I'll see you later, bro. We gotta go. We gotta go.
Tune in for the next vlog. Down all meats.